Goofy ran outside and pointed at the sky.
Why don't we try hitching a ride on an airplane?
No, Goofy, that's impossible. Impossible? If I eat an impossible berry, maybe we can do it.
Okay, Nick. Down the hatch. Look, there's a plane. Hold out your thumb.
Oh, gee, Goofy, I feel kind of silly.
Mickey, it's landing. And the pilot's waving to us.
Where are you fellows headed? I'm on my way to Africa.
Gosh, mister, so are we. Thanks.
We were over the ocean in no time, but the pilot didn't look too happy.
Uh-oh, black clouds. Sorry, but my plane's too small to handle a storm that big. We'll have to turn back.
But, mister,